Namaste, welcome. How are you doing? Today is day 22 of your 30-day journey. And today's practice is about addressing the sides of your body, the lateral length of your body. We'll try to do practices that helps you feel and breathe through this area, that helps you move, that helps you twist, that helps you be agile. Okay, let's get seated in a comfortable position. Relax your shoulders, relax your chest. Close your eyes. Place your both hands on your chest and just notice how the rise and fall happens with the breath. Beautiful Om sound. Inhale. Om. 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 Keep your eyes closed and place both the hands on your ribs. Keep your thumb to the back of your ribs. Keep the four fingers to the front. Shoulders relax. And we'll just try to find our breath first. So as you breathe, let the ribcage expand 360 degrees. Inhale. Exhale. Feel it not just on the front fingers but also on your thumb. Expanding it. You can open your eyes and watch me. Imagine this is your rib cage. All we want is the expansion outwards and in. It's not just side and in, but it's actually out and in from 360 degrees. So keep your hands on your rib cage and try that. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Release the hands down. Keeping this breath maintained through the practice, we'll drop the right hand on the right side, take your left arm up and reach to the right side. So my arms are pulling up, up as I go to the diagonal corner of the right. Now breathe into the sides. Same breathing that we just practiced. Slowly inhale, come back up. Exhale, left side. Lift the right arm up to the right corner. Breathe, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly come up. We go to the first side again. This time, slide your arms and soften the elbows. And then reach the arms. Just as much as your body allows. Focus on the ribcage movement as you breathe. Feel the stretch downwards and sidewards. Slowly coming up to the other side. Soften the elbows. Reach and breathe. Slowly inhale, come back up. Exhale, relax. Hands on your knees. A good circle from your chest. And other way around. And center. Slowly come up into all fours. Inhaling, chest down, head up. Exhale, in and down. Inhaling, chest down, head up. Exhale, contract. Inhale, chest down, head up. Exhale, contract. Inhale, chest down, head up. Exhale, contract. Slowly curl your toes, take your knees back, hips back. We will take the left leg ahead and turn our right heel to the back side. So your right knee and the right heel is in one line. Lower the hips so you're going towards the left side and then come up. Trying to exhale and go down. Inhale and come back up. Exhale, lower the hips. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, lower the hips. Inhale, come back up. And then hold here and lower your chest down like a flat back and let the hips stay down as you go up and down just with your upper torso. Exhale to go down. Use your hands on your thighs to help you make this more accessible. And inhale to come back up. And then slowly extend the left leg. Try to bring the toes to the front and lower your left hand down on the shin. Don't keep it on your knee joint. Open your chest towards the sky. Push your left shoulder down, right shoulder more back. Breathe into the lateral length of your body. Slowly from here, just try to let your core be more engaged with you and slowly lift up your upper torso. Drop your right hand down. Try to press your left leg nicely straighten down and extend the other arm to the side. So one straight line from your left arm to the left leg. Relax your face muscles and breathe. You will take your left hand on your waist and open your toes to the inside. If you see, I'm just rotating my toes to the inside. It's a modified side plank. Either you can stay on the knees or you can lift up the legs and hold the side plank here. Engage your obliques, engage your core. Hands on your waist. And breathe. Relax your face muscles. You're doing amazing. Slowly drop your knee down, coming into all fours here. Shoulders, wrist in one line and arch your back. Lift up your head. Exhale, contract. Inhale, look up. Exhale, contract. Inhale, look up. And neutral spine. Stepping your right leg outside the right hand and then opening into the stance. Coming in one straight line with the knee and the heel, lower your hips and come back up. Try to keep your knees in one straight line. Lower your hips and up. Exhale to lower the hips. Inhale to come back up. Exhale to lower the hips. Inhale to come back up. Relax your face muscles. That's the most important thing. And slowly hold it here and lower your upper torso. Exhale and inhale, come up. Use your glutes, use your breath and the strength. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, going back down. Inhale, coming back up. Use that palm to push that thigh back and lower and stay here. Breathe and come back up, straightening the legs, toes on the inside and lowering on the right side. Extend your arm and breathe.
Allow your ribs to open 360 degrees so you can feel that stretch through the lateral length. Slowly coming back, taking your left arm down on the floor, right arm on your waist, or you can extend it to the side. Get that full stretch, full length, straight line. Imagine someone's pulling your hand and the leg at the same time in both the different directions. Relax your face muscles. From here, we'll switch into that active side plank. You can either keep the knee on the floor or you can extend both the legs. Holding the plank here, trust that strength that you have and breathe into it. That's very important. You're doing amazing. This is looking really good. Almost there. And slowly shift your right arm also down and come into a palm plank, a high plank. Just find that stance and we'll push back into downward facing dog. Push your heels down if you can. Walk your legs one step ahead if you feel the need for it. And then lift up both the heels up. Let both the heels go up. Drop it on the right side. Drop both the heel on the right side and stay. Feel that stretch and breathe. Slowly lift up both the heels and switch sides. Drop both the heels on the left side. Have the distance between the legs so that the heels get that space. Breathe into the stretch. Slowly lift up both the heels. Drop the heels down and drop the knees down. Slowly allow yourself to rest into child's pose. That was really good. It's absolutely lovely. Your breath is taking its time to come back to its natural pace. Give it that time. Slowly, gently lie down onto the mat. Welcome that relaxation. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Namaste.